Here we are, first video and build for the E93 M3. We got BimmerHausPerformance titanium exhaust. This is a custom design, as you'll see, with the dual X pipes, single resonator, and then valved exhaust. We are going to get that installed today. Got a lot of different things we need to do on this guy. Got all kinds of goodies over here. Have some coolant lines I need to replace. Got power steering rack. That was bad. I got a new reservoir, a new pulley. We've got the rally style shifter from Turner, all kinds of fun stuff. So let's get going. All right, just testing the actuator, which I'll hardwire into the car. But we've got power at the box. That's closed, open. Looks good. So with this current setup, it's stock exhaust with decatted catalytic converters. You just hone those out. They aren't worth anything anyway because all it has is a mesh inside there. It's no precious metal, so it's not even worth hollowing out or recycling. Then we had resonator delete, a single X pipe, the other res delete, and a muffler delete. And so needless to say, it's straight piped, loud as all get out. So I'm actually gonna be maybe even a little bit quieter, but I'm going for obviously a different tone. And with the double X pipes, I'm really hoping we can get some unique sounds out of this. So let's get this thing torn out, lay it down, and then we'll compare it to the exhaust that we're gonna throw in. All right, got some rusty nuts and bolts going in the sonic cleaner. Exhaust is down, that didn't take but a minute. And I'm gonna lay out the other exhaust here. And we'll get this thing set up. This thing is clean. I cleaned the heck out of it with a pressure washer here on the lift and hot water and degreaser. Still have a lot to do in this build. I've got cracked bell housing on the 6-speed transmission. I've got good bell housing over there, but I have to literally tear apart the transmission. We've got power steering seems to be out right now, so I gotta figure that out. But I want to get this exhaust on and hear how this thing sounds. So let's do that. All right, here we are with them side by side, old versus new. I'm going to be bringing this up in pieces because that'll be a heck of a lot easier. But it looks to be like it's going to be a good fit. I am stoked. Can't wait to get this thing up there. I'm going to need some hangers. Some of this exhaust work over here did not include some of the original hangers. We'll see how it goes, but I'll get it up there no matter what. Got to do a cold start. Can't wait. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm just gonna use the battery pack so we can test this thing. We got power here at the box. All right, we're ready for a cold start. I had to hook this up temporarily because I was not gonna do the first cold start on this exhaust without the valves open, so. Very quiet. I like it when the valves are closed. I'm pretty surprised actually. It's still very deep sounding. I highly doubt my camera is picking it up, how deep sounding the exhaust is. It's just rumbling.